Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I made a dump truck on Koigi game and then I made this. We're just using this one instead. Just I don't want that color. I'll use that. So did you see guys? It's nice and then I made it. You can use it with this one and then you can use with this stuff and this stuff when you're going here or here. When you're going here or here. And then guys, as you want to dump the load, okay guys. And guys, see, and let's 60 degrees this. I mean 60 degrees this and 60 degrees this. I got confused and then quash it. Boom! So bye guys. It was just an accident that I crashed it. Bye.